Transforming Leftover Turkey into Culinary Gold, your post-Thanksgiving guide. Thanksgiving, where we gather, feast, inevitably wake up the next day wondering what on earth to do with a mountain of leftover turkey. If your fridge is crammed with post-holiday poultry, don't panic. This recipe will turn those scraps into something your family will gobble up faster than you can say pass the gravy. But before we dive into the details, let's address the elephant, or perhaps the turkey, in the room. If your kitchen isn't inspiring you, maybe it's time for an upgrade. Your favorite Space Coast realtor, hint, that's me, can help you find a dream home with a chef's kitchen worthy of your culinary masterpieces. Let's cook up something delicious, both on your plate and in your home search. So the recipe is Leftover Turkey Enchilada Casserole, where comfort meets convenience, perfect for busy post-Thanksgiving days. Ingredients: 3 cups shredded leftover turkey, 2 cups shredded cheese, cheddar, Monterey Jack, or a mix, 1 can 10-ounce enchilada sauce, 1 cup sour cream, 1 cup salsa, mild, medium, or spicy, your choice, 1 can of green chilies, optional for a little kick, 10 small corn or flour tortillas, fresh cilantro, optional for garnish. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Mix the enchilada sauce, sour cream, and salsa in a bowl. If you like it spicy, toss in those green chilies. Layer it up. Sprinkle a thin layer of sauce mixture at the bottom of a 9x13 casserole dish. Assemble the enchiladas. Fill each tortilla with shredded turkey and a sprinkle of cheese. Roll them up snugly and place them steam side down in the dish. Pour the remaining sauce mixture over the tortillas, making sure they're well coated. Top with the rest of the cheese. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until bubbly and golden. Garnish with fresh cilantro if desired. Serve with a dollop of sour cream and a side of guacamole. This dish is as easy as pie, or easier given the chaos of post-holiday cleanup, and guaranteed to make your leftovers the star of the show. Upgrade your kitchen, upgrade your life. If cooking is in your current kitchen feels more like a chore than a joy, it might be time to trade up. Imagine prepping your holiday meals in a clean, spacious kitchen with all the bells and whistles. Double ovens, a massive island, and enough counter space to roll out pie dough without elbowing the coffee maker. Sound dreamy? Let's make it a reality. As your go-to Space Coast realtor, I can help you find the perfect home with a kitchen that's more than functional. It's fabulous. After all, life is too short for a cramped kitchen or dry turkey, but that's another story. So whip up that enchilada casserole and start dreaming of your next culinary adventure. And remember, when you're ready to move, I'll be here, ready to help you find the perfect home for all your cooking and eating needs. Bon appetit and happy house hunting.